Hi everyone. If you want your YouTube channel to grow fast, there is one traffic source that matters the most: suggested videos. This is when YouTube recommends your video next to other popular videos, bringing you continuous views even when you are not actively promoting your content. And in this video, I'll share 7 practical strategies that help YouTube push your videos into suggested traffic. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Section 1: Understand what suggested videos are. First, let's understand what suggested videos actually are. So, suggested videos appear on the right side of the video player. So, suppose I click on this video, right? The videos appearing over here. So the videos appearing over here are the suggested videos. And the other one is once the video finishes playing, right? So YouTube recommends videos that are closely related to what viewers are watching. So if someone watches a video about YouTube analytics, YouTube may suggest another video explaining traffic sources or YouTube growth strategies. This means that your YouTube video needs to be strongly connected to other videos in your niche, right? So you can see this is another suggested video which is appearing, right? This is basis the related, so this is also related to some Dubai video, and this is so this way, this is the first way it can appear in suggested videos. The second and the easiest way is to create content around videos that are already popular. Search your topic on YouTube and identify videos with high views or ranking at the top of the search. So suppose I want to create content about YouTube, right? So I'm just searching for YouTube channel growth, and once you find this, how to survive being a small YouTube channel, this is the one with 410K views in 11 months. Just create a better or updated version of that topic, or maybe in a different language, different variant, right? So YouTube will then suggest, understand your video, and understand that it belongs in the same recommendation group. So if someone searches for this video, your video will also appear in the suggested videos. This is the most easiest way of getting in the suggested videos. The section 3 is use similar keywords. I have already covered this in the keywords video, but the algorithm basically uses title, description, and keywords also to understand your video and suggest it in other videos. And this is via basically what we call as the keywords. So in the video of vidIQ, I had already shown you can see the video tags, channel tags of the video and use it to incorporate it in your video for ranking, right? So that's another way you can use the keywords of top ranking videos, use it for your title and description, so that YouTube Studio categorizes your content with related videos. The section 4 is improving click through rate. Even if YouTube recommends your video, viewers still need to click on it. This is where thumbnails and titles become important, right? And your thumbnail should clearly show the topic, use bold text, and stand out visually. You can see in all these videos that text and the thumbnail are clean and clear in communication, right? This next is increasing watch time. Another major factor is watch time, because if you have higher watch time being viewed, YouTube thinks of pushing it more to new audience, and it will keep on suggesting it. But however, if people are dropping your video quickly once they start watching, YouTube will stop recommending it. That is why you should focus on a strong hook in the first 10 seconds, clear storytelling, and avoid long introductions. Another way is create content series. It's one of kind of a smart strategy, because if people are finding for maybe YouTube channel growth tips, and if I find this video useful, I will look if there is a playlist for this, and I might go through all the videos in that playlist. So suggested is a create a series, so that once the viewer starts watching one video, it will suggest the next video in that series, kind of a playlist, right? And use end screens and playlists. This I have highly touched upon in multiple of my videos. The end screens, cards, playlists basically helps you recommend your videos and increase session watch time, which YouTube values highly. So when viewers continue watching your content, YouTube is more likely to recommend your videos together. So do check out the video on my channel YouTube with Saave on how to create end screens or playlists, because that will help you a long way in engaging your viewers with your channel. And always analyze suggested traffic. Like inside YouTube Studio, go and check what's the traffic source, where are people dropping from, what's the behavior, what are the kind of audiences watching, right? So this will help you understand where your video is appearing as suggested and what YouTube is associating your channel with. So if you want to grow on YouTube through suggested videos, remember these key points. Create videos around popular topics in your niche, use similar keywords and titles, improve thumbnail CTR, increase watch time and retention, and build content series that connects videos together. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.